Hello, I am Dharmishta. Today we will learn lesson number 3, list an image in the HTML5 part 2. In this lesson we will learn unordered list, order list, descriptive list, nesting list and how to insert image in a HTML program. So first of all we discuss about unordered list. An unordered list is used for items in which the ordering of item is not important. An unordered list is also called a bulleted list. A list defined using the opening tag UL and closing tag UL. Each item in the list is defined using the li tag. Li tag means line tag. The bullet style can be added to the list item by using the list style type property as given in the table. Here a circle specifies a hollow bullet, a disk specifies the solid round bullet and the square specifies the square bullet. The list property for an unordered list are given in the table. First, property list style image. It is the image that will be used as the list item marker. None or path of the image to be used as the list item marker. For example, list style image URL abc.gif. Second one is list style type. It is specify the bullet style that will be used as the list item marker. Values are none, disk is default value, circle or square. A list style type square is the example. Now next one is setting an image as a list item marker. You can use an image to marker the list item in the unordered list. The address of the image is specified using the list style image property. Here we will learn how to make a program of unordered list. See, first of all, to open Notepad editor, then type HTML programming in this way. See, first of all open opening HTML tag, then closing HTML tag, then again type head tag, opening head tag and closing head tag. This is the structure of HTML programming. Again type opening title tag and closing title tag. Here we make a title, creating unordered list. Here we apply CSS. This is the syntax of CSS. Style, opening style tag, closing style tag, style type, text /CSS, then between two tags we set CSS, pattern is UL, property is list style type square. So it will display with the square bulleted. Now here we start a body part of the program. So opening body tag, then closing body tag. Between these, here we write the program. See, H2, closing H2, it is the level of heading, second level of the heading. It defines the heading of the program. So heading is list of subjects in science. Now here we define UL unordered list, which is defined in a style scheme. Opening UL tag, then closing UL tag. Between these, we use li tag for making list. So opening li tag, then closing li tag, then select it and press Ctrl+C for copy, then again make a space and use Ctrl+V for paste. So 3 times. Here we use the 3 word. First word is, see, first of all put cursor, then first word is physics, second one is chemistry, and third one is biology. Then click on file menu, then save option, save as dialog box appears, then write down that the program name p3.html, then click on save button. Now minimize your notepad editor, then right click on the program p3.html, then open with Internet Explorer. See, then you can see here, this is the output of the program, list of the subject in the science in this way. Now order list. An order list defines a list of items in which order of item matters. An unordered list is also called a number list. The list items are enclosed with the OL tag and closing OL tags. Ordering of the list item is given by the numbering scheme using the Arabic numbers, letters or Roman numbers. The list property used an order list is given in the following table. See here, property is list style type. It is specify the type of the list item marker, and values are decimal, it is the default, then lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha or upper alpha. For example, see, in this way we can define in the program list style type colon lower alpha. Now next one is nesting list. Apart from creating order and unordered list, HTML also allow nesting of list. You can nest any list inside any other list. For example, an unordered list can be nested within the unordered list, or an ordered list can be nested with the another list. See in the program how we can define in a programming. See, here practically we will learn how to make order list. First of all, open Notepad, then type a programming in this way. See, HTML, opening HTML, then closing HTML tag, then opening head tag, then closing head tag, then make a title for title tag. See, opening title tag, then closing title tag, make a title, creating ordered list. Now style tag, style type, text oblique CSS, then closing style, OL, define a pattern for the bullet. Here we define OL, order list, list style type, upper alpha. Now closing style tag, Now here we start a body part of the program. So opening body part by opening body tag, see in this way, then closing body tag, and here we define the list. Now save it with the name orderlist.html. Now click on save button. Now minimize your program. Here we define the list, then minimize your program. Then right click on the orderlist.html, open with Internet Explorer and see the output. See, this is the output of order list. In this way we can define with the number alpha number. Here we will learn how to make a nesting list. Practically we will learn nesting list. So start in this way, type a program. Same thing, opening HTML tag, closing HTML tag, then opening head tag, then closing head tag, then title, closing title tag, and making the heading. See in this way. Source of energy, this is the title. Now start with opening style tag, attribute type, then text CSS, then define a pattern OL order list, list style type column upper Roman, means it will display in upper Roman, then closing style tag. Here we make a body part. See, you can also add one more CSS UL. Here we define two pattern OL and UL, order list and unordered list, both are used in body part. Here we define circle for UL unordered list. Now see, this is the body part. Here we use UL tag as well as OL tag with nesting list. See, in this way, UL tag and OL tag. Then open save as dialog box. We can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+S. Then here we write the program name, list.html, then click on save button. Now then minimize your notepad, then right click on list.html, then open with Internet Explorer. See, this is the output of the program. See, order list as well as unordered list.